Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I wanted to say something. If you enjoyed my videos and it's helpful for you, why don't you subscribe to be notified every time I post new videos on how to make money online? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to sell notebooks on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a self-publishing platform that allows authors to publish their ebooks and paperbacks on Amazon. And now, with the addition of the new KDP print-on-demand service, authors can also sell notebooks on Amazon using their own designs. To help us out, we're going to use Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that can be used to create a notebook design for your self-published notebooks on Amazon KDP. Step 1. Sign up for a free Canva account or log in to your existing account. Step 2. Click on Create a Design and select Custom Dimensions. Set the dimensions to match the size of your notebook, which can be found on the KDP website under Notebook Interiors and Covers. The most common notebook sizes for KDP are 6" per 9" and 7.5" per 9.25", but you can choose the size that best suits your design and target audience. Step 3. Choose a notebook template or start from scratch by selecting a background color or image. Canva has a wide variety of notebook templates to choose from, including lined, blank, and graph paper. Step 4. Add text to the notebook pages, including section headings, prompts, or any other information you want to include in your notebook. You can choose from a variety of fonts and text styles. Step 5. Add any images or graphics to the notebook pages, such as photos, illustrations, or icons. Canva has a library of images and graphics you can use for free or for a small fee. Step 6. Customize the design by adjusting the colors, adding stickers, and playing with the layout until you're happy with the final product. Step 7. Once you're finished, download the notebook as a high-resolution PDF file. After that, you will need to sign up on Amazon KDP to upload the notebook to KDP when you publish your book. It's important to ensure that your notebook meets KDP's guidelines for quality and dimensions, so be sure to check these before finalizing your design. Selling notebooks on Amazon KDP is a form of a POD business. Firstly, you create your design, secondly, sell it somewhere, and lastly, when someone buys it, a POD industry print it and send it to your customers. Amazon will automatically print it and ship it for you, and they take a few pennies on the sales you make. If you don't know what is POD, check out this video. Normally, Amazon has its own marketing system and your product will appear on their website, but if you want, you can also market your notebook on social media such as TikTok or Instagram to get more sales. But if you don't want to show your face while marketing your product, no problem, just take a look in the description. By using Canva, you can create a professional-looking notebook design that will help your notebook stand out on the virtual shelves of Amazon KDP. And the best part is, you don't need to be a graphic designer or have any prior design experience to create a beautiful notebook. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use Canva for Amazon KDP to design and sell notebooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more contents on making money online. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.